Hello guys, Sandy there. Gal is on top of the hill and Karin's on top of the hill. Today we need to try and cover the raised bed on the other side of the electric fence where we're colonizing the space. There are footprints on the bed, meaning there's an animal that walked on it. It could be my dog, because my dog does go through there. It could be a goat or something like that, but it's not a cow, maybe a monkey, because those footprints are not big. And we've seen before that Spiky also can walk on my raised beds, and I've seen the footprints that he leaves. So I suspect that it could have been him, but now I need to cover it. I can't take the chances to leave it open like that, given that the corn might germinate anytime soon. So myself and my eldest son, my firstborn, we're going to go and do this job now. Hopefully we'll be able to do it and finish it before the sun goes down. Just grabbing the tools here that we will need, only for the mostly for what we're going to do now, which is measuring and cutting the poles. And then after that I will get the driller. No, put it back where you got it, my boy. I'll get the driller and then the driller and the screws, and then we'll put the poles up. If the sun is still with us, we'll put the netting. If not, then we'll do the netting tomorrow. Otherwise, guys, apart from that, YouTube tells me that you guys watch my videos up to like 2 minutes at most. Can I please ask you that you do stay a little longer than 2 minutes, because mostly 2 minutes is exactly what I'm doing now, my introduction, which I need to make it a little bit less. And then watch the full videos, because there's a lot on the videos that you can gain and learn from the videos. Okay, so that's my plea with you. I'm pleading that you remain and watch the videos until the videos are finished. Okay, let's keep going now. I need to squeeze through this electric fence as I'm going there. Okay, Special, you need to get another pole. So we will need one pole that we will cut to go short ways, and then 2 poles that will be long ways. Okay, so get one more pole. Yeah, so that's my older son. And I'll show you the footprints now. I'm almost there on the raised bed. I'm almost there. Show you, so you can see. You see, this does look like, I would say it does look like cow hooves, but what kind of a cow with one leg? Hence I'm saying it could be Spiky. You know, all the way, you would see, all the way up to there. So we need to cover this and make sure that it is protected. Okay.